Hi everybody, Lorraine here. Thanks for coming to visit with me. I have been seeing a couple of people doing what they're calling a Boilermaker. I think we all know what a Boilermaker is. It's usually a beer with a shot dropped in it. I have a shot glass. I have a tall glass. And I was thinking it'd be kind of cool to try and do like a little fire and ice deal with this. So I'm going to put my cold colors, my cool colors in the glass, and then I'm going to put my warm colors in the shot glass and drop it inside. And then we'll do a flip cup and see how it turns out. And what I have is a little bit of an island blue here. See if I can get it open. And just layer these up. I'm just going to use what's left of this because there's not a lot. Something to scrape it out of here. And I have some ultramarine. I just have to get this cup full enough so that the shot glass sinks in it. So, let's see if I have any more blues that I can put in there. Maybe some of this cobalt will work. Put some of that in there. Oop. This is a phthalo blue, and this is an ultramarine that I'm using. And put a couple drops of silicone in there. I'm going to give it a quick stir. Not too much. Set that aside. Thank you. I don't know. It's right at the top. It's supposed to drop in. But I'm going to do fire colors in the shot glass. Do some yellow, orange, and red. I think I'll do another quick layer. Some orange and red. Okay. I'm not quite sure if that's going to drop down or if it's just going to be even with it. Maybe I should put just a touch more in. Try not to make any obscene sounds with this. It's almost empty. And then we'll use a little bit more of this cobalt. I think that's going to be way too much paint for this 8x10 canvas. But we'll give it a try. Bloop, right down in there. Perfect. Wow. You know what? I think I'm going to get a bigger canvas because I know this is way too much paint. I'll be right back. Okay, so I grabbed an 11x14 canvas and we're going to give this a flip and see how this turns out. Could feel the heavy shot glass go down. I hope it stayed upright. We'll see. Never know what's going to come out when we do things like this. It's just experimental art. Give that a minute to settle down, flow out of the cup. Okay, let's give it a try. And move it to one side here. And bring it out. Oh, look it stood right up. Perfect. Take this over here. Let it drain a little bit. Maybe I'll just do it like this. It's going to be slippery. I think I might need both hands to do this part. Oh, cool. Look at the inside of the cup. Very cool. Alright. Let that settle a sec while I wipe the blue off my hands. Alright. Let's see what we come up with moving this around a little bit. Kind of looks like an eye in the middle right now. Move it very slowly towards me. I can see the red and orange popping up through some of the blue. Pretty neat. Try and recenter the weight of the paint. Bring it down this way. You know, I made myself an edge catcher out of a piece of plastic, and I have found it kind of works a little bit better to use my hand, because then I can run up the side a little easier. Throw that paint back on. This would have been a tremendous amount of paint on that smaller canvas. I'm glad I switched it up. Alright. I'm going to use some of the paint on my glove to help guide this a little bit. Go to the corner. See if I can get some to drain out of this cup onto this corner while I'm bringing it down this direction. Not a whole lot left in the cup. Could have used just a touch more, I think. Even though that was very full. There we go. The goal right now is to cover the canvas. And then I'll see if I can find the shape that I want. I give it a torch, see if some of the silicone comes up and gives us some cells. There's already some really cool cells in here. Get rid of the air bubbles. It did turn out pretty neat. Turn it around. Take a look at it from this direction. Maybe bring it down. It's not moving a whole lot. It's making me think of a dragon's head. These are horns up here, fiery horns. This nose down here, this neckline coming up. See if I could stretch the nose part out a little bit. I always see things in my paintings, even though they are completely abstract and the paint, this type of painting, you really don't have a lot of control over because you're literally just pouring the paint onto your canvas. And it's mostly just to get the interesting designs. But there, I like him. Looks like a big old dragon, fiery dragon. Well guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. I'll get my gloves off and bring the camera down so you can get a better view. Okay, here we go. I'm going to call this my Fire and Ice Boilermaker Dragon. Really cool effects that turned out with this. I like the way the blues mixed. And it really does look very fiery. Oh, there we go, guys. Thanks for visiting with me. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up and let me know what you think. Bye.